Okay, so we're going to do the normalization now. So here we are on the route reflector, and this is going to be done on the multi-protocol eBGP that's running to the remote peer here, peer 2.1. So we can see here set protocol BGP group P2 remote PE, which is what we're calling it. We're importing this policy statement, and we're exporting this policy statement. So what's happening in the policy statement? Well, in the policy statement, we're going into the L3 VPN communities, and we're actually removing the wrong ones, adding the correct ones, and making sure that's set properly. So let's have a little look. As always, we're going to be pushing our routes to the spoke because we're a hub and spoke, and we're going to be sending routes from the hub. So let's have a look. Set policy options, policy statement, C2 VPN target export. Term 1 from protocol BGP, from community CE2 hub, which is us pushing the route out, then community delete CE2 hub, and community add CE2 remote. So that's the normalization on the way out, then accept. Then on the import, term 1 from protocol BGP, from community CE2 remote, then community delete CE2 remote, community add CE spoke. And that's because every time that we have routes that are coming in, we're pushing them to the spoke, hence setting the community to spoke. The router is going to see that, push that to the spoke part of the hub, and then accept. Okay, so we've got our community values here as well. Set policy options community, we've got the CE2 hub, which we know, and then we have the CE2 remote, and of course we have the CE2 spoke. And that's happening on the eBGP, the multi-protocol eBGP to P2 remote PE on the import and on the export. And that will normalize those VPN communities as the routes are passed from this remote PE via the route reflector without the next hop changing to obviously router 7 and the other parts of the hub and spoke.